Hello and welcome to the Unit 4 Opener number 4 dealing with matrix multiplication. So we're supposed to multiply these two matrices together, and just like we did in Opener number 3, we are going to take the first entry in the first matrix, we're going to multiply it times the first entry in the second matrix. And so that would give us a 10. Although then you'll notice we're supposed to go to the next item in this row, in the first matrix, but we're supposed to go to the next item in this column on the second matrix, but there's nothing there. What that means is that these two matrices cannot be multiplied together. That's a fairly common thing. If you pick two matrices at random, there's a pretty good chance that you will not be able to multiply them together. And in fact, the only time you are able to multiply two matrices together is under this condition. We need the number of columns in the first matrix has to be equal to the number of rows in the second matrix. Now, I actually am not very good at remembering that. I prefer to just try to multiply them, and if I can't do it, then they can't be multiplied. But let's think about it. The reason this works is as follows. Our first matrix has two columns, 1 and 2. In other words, each row of the matrix has two entries in it. Well, that means in the second matrix, we would need two entries in the first column, which would mean that we would need two rows in the second matrix. So the idea here is that matrices can only be multiplied together if the number of columns in the first matrix is equal to the number of rows in the second matrix.